Exercise 3.3, question number 9. In the above figure, both risk and clue are parallelogram. Find the value of x. Here, risk means R-I-S-K. This is a parallelogram. Another parallelogram is C-L-U-E. And we have to find the value of x. So, in this figure, we give this angle as angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we can write angle 1 is equal to 70 degree because this CE is parallel to UL. So angle 1 and 70 degree are equal because they are corresponding angle. So we write here angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. This is corresponding angle. Now angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. These are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. Now 2 plus 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees since these two angles are forming linear pair. Therefore 120 degree plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Now in this triangle, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. By angle sum property of a parallelogram. So value of 1 is 70 degree. 2 is 120 degree. So we can find angle 3 is 60 degree. So we can find value of angle 4. 70 plus 60 is 130 degree plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, that is 50 degree. Now x is equal to angle 4 is equal to 50 degree and reason is vertically opposite angles. Question number 10. Explain how the figure is a trapezium and which of its two sides are parallel. This figure is given. Here angle L is equal to 80 degree and angle M is equal to 100 degree. So we have to explain why it is a it is a trapezium. Since here sum of these two angles, angle L plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. Therefore KL is parallel to NM. Since we know that in a trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. So we write here, since one pair of opposite side of quadrilateral KLMN is parallel. Therefore, it is a trapezium. Question number 11. Find measure of angle C if AB is parallel to DC. Since AB is parallel to DC, therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Measure of angle B is 120 degree. So 120 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Question number 12. Find the measure of angle P and angle S if SP is parallel to RQ. Since SP is parallel to RQ means angle S plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angles. So angle R is equal to 90 degree. This symbol represent 90 degree angle. So angle S plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle S is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. Now we have to find value of angle P. So since we know that sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. This is symbol of quadrilateral. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360 degree. Now find the value of angle P. Angle Q is equal to 130 degree. Angle R is 90 degree. And angle S is equal to also 90 degree. So angle P plus 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. So angle P is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree is equal to 50 degree.